I need to be honest with you guys. I've been giving my life a lot of thought and how I want to move forward with content creation. Making videos just isn't fitting into my life the way I originally thought it would. Therefore, I need to change some things. Not out of frustration, but through slowing down and paying attention to what actually works. For a long time, I've been trying to fit this channel into a structure that didn't fit real life. Deadlines that created pressure, a pace that rushed good work, and the idea that every single thing that I worked on needed to be filmed. The reality is, not every project makes sense as a video. Some of the most important changes that we make here are quiet. They improve how the house functions, they make daily life calmer, and they make this place feel better to live in. But they're repetitive, slow, and not always visually interesting. Filming slows down projects significantly. Between setting up the shots, moving the cameras, explaining each step, and editing afterwards, a project can easily take 3 to 4 times longer. Sometimes the right choice is to put the camera away and experience the project as it's actually happening. That doesn't make those projects less meaningful. If anything, they're often the ones that matter the most. They just don't always deserve the weight of a full-length video. So instead of trying to document everything, we're changing the way that we share this house. There will be fewer long-form videos this year, but they'll focus on larger, more transformative projects. Projects that actually change how the property feels and functions. Projects that are worth slowing down for. This also means that there won't be a strict upload schedule anymore. Videos will come out when they're ready, when the project is complete, when the timing, energy, and budget all align. Not rushed and not forced. Alongside those longer videos, like the ones I've been making, there's going to be a new second format on this channel. Some projects make more sense to just finish first and explain afterwards. For those, the video will start with a plan, go through what's changed, and end on the result. The before and the after. What worked, what didn't, and how it changed our daily lives. Shorter videos and just the updates. That approach allows us to work without interruption while still sharing the outcome and the thinking behind it. On our other socials like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, we'll share the in-between moments. Progress updates, photos, small changes, quiet scenes from everyday life, especially in the spring when the house and the property really come alive. Deer in the yard, beautiful sunrises, slow mornings, evenings where the light moves through the house just right, movie nights by the fire, camping outside on the deck, and overall, just enjoying life here on the island. That part of the process matters too. This decision is also about balance. Michelle and I both work full-time jobs. Everything that you see here happens in the margins. Evenings after work, on our days off. But sometimes we need to choose rest. We want to build a life here, not just complete projects. Financially, we're being intentional as well. We've put everything that we had into buying this house. We don't regret that for a second, but it does mean that projects take time. They happen in stages while we save up, and we live with unfinished projects for longer than we would hope. When we're able to take on more, videos may come out more frequently, but for now, we're moving at a pace that makes sense. This channel was never meant to be about big budgets and fast transformations. It's about thoughtful decisions, lighting that makes spaces work better, storage that quietly improves daily life, and small updates that don't always look flashy on camera, but change how the space feels to live in. We're incredibly grateful to be here. We worked hard, we were careful, and we were frugal. From the very beginning, the goal for Michelle and I was always to own a home. And eventually, it all came together. And we are so grateful to live here. Going forward, our long-form videos will feel familiar. They'll just feel more intentional, more creative, and more aligned with how we actually live and work. No rushing through projects, and way less pressure. Just steady progress that's shared when it's worth sharing. So, if you're into slow builds, thoughtful decisions, and really seeing a home come together over time, we're really glad you're here. And we are so happy to have you along on this journey with us.